Greetings, my name is Prashant. I'm a faculty of the Department of Tourism of St. Claret College, Bangalore. My topic for the presentation is on the trends in Indian online food service industry during the COVID-19 period. As the coronavirus crisis takes over the world, so the markets today are going to focus much on the purchases behavior of the consumers, which are globally affected and which are changing. So the key players operating in this food industry, especially the delivery industries, are going to remodel their business strategies focusing on social distancing measures and hygienic platforms. The food service market in India is valued at about 4,500 crores currently and is expected to have a compounded annual growth rate of about 10%. These are mainly saturated in the metro cities, and in the year 2022 it is expected to be at about 5,520 crores. The Indian online food delivery market is having a value of about $2.9 billion as of 2019, and owing to the recent crisis of COVID-19, players such as Zomato, McDonald's have introduced contactless dining focusing on hygienic factors. So we can see that the IMARC report focuses and says that the Indian market is going to be valued at about $12.7 billion by the year 2025. So that's a massive figure that we have. Literature says that uh, digital platforms are going to be of immense importance, especially based on the country's demography, and companies are going to focus in this time of COVID-19 crisis. uh, the sales are going to be going up if this crisis continues, only if the companies have are going to remodel their strategies based on hygienic behaviors, hygienic products. Based on the current research literature review, it is understood that there needs to be better understanding of the food delivery market, especially the online food delivery market in India, and there is limited literature. The objectives are framed in this backdrop, which are understanding the online food delivery market in India and identify the trends of the food delivery market. The current research is undertaken in the backdrop of descriptive methodology, and both quantitative and qualitative measures are undertaken. Secondary data is derived from government agencies, marketing agencies, and official websites. So firstly, the online food service market in India is affected negatively as well as positively. Now, however, companies have taken this up as a challenge and have remodeled their strategies with the highest standards of hygiene and on practicing of social distancing measures. So, there are certain companies such as Swiggy who are focusing on providing sanitation facilities, and they have also given graded uh, stars to restaurants who keep hygienic practices. Now, this is bringing a positive hope towards the customers. So, there is a fall as well as a rise in the necessity of delivery of food products. Now, Zomato, this two cases I'm going to discuss about Zomato. This is one of it's going to introduce a contactless dining post lockdown period. Right now, this is by eliminating methods such as menus, ordering bill. All these are going to be based on technology, and the staffs who offer service delivery will be wearing masks and will be sanitized. The next important thing is of Zomato who wants to deliver alcohol online. It is a very big market in India, valued at about 27 billion in the year 2018, and Zomato wants to tap into this sector. And this is also only if the government permits it. Now, the key trends that are influencing in the online food service market is technology, and technology is the driver of this service, mainly because of the demographic factors that India has and the kind of smartphone users that India has. So, virtual kitchens are also important, and contactless payment. This has also been an important factor. The conclusion, we say that COVID-19 has remodeled the industry, and positive policy frameworks are to be formulated for such growth. So government has to tap into this by providing working capital loans and providing better policy formulations to help this sector grow.